Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Creating slow motion videos can add dramatic effects and highlight specific moments. The iPhone comes equipped with a built-in camera feature that allows you to easily capture and edit slow motion videos. Here is a detailed guide on how to slow-mo a video on your iPhone. The first step is recording a slow motion video. Open the camera app on your iPhone, then swipe left or right until you reach the slow motion mode. Frame your shot and tap the red record button to start recording. Tap the record button again and stop recording. Next step is to edit a slow motion video. Open the photo app and locate your slow-mo video. Next, you tap on the video to open it, then tap edit in the top right corner. You will see a timeline at the bottom with two sections, the regular speed and the slow motion part. Drag the white vertical lines to adjust where the slow motion effect starts and ends. Tap done to save your changes. You can also use a third-party app for advanced slow motion editing. With these steps, you can easily capture and edit slow motion videos on your iPhone, whether you use a built-in camera app or a third-party video editor. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.